Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change video display resolution in Webtoon. If a video on Webtoon looks blurry or uses too much data, adjusting the video display resolution can improve your viewing experience. Launch open the Webtoon application on your device and log in. From the home page, go to the My button at the bottom right corner and tap on it. Once you're inside the My menu, tap on this three dot at the top right corner and click on Settings. You're inside the Settings menu where you'll need to scroll and tap on Display. You'll be inside the Settings menu where you'll need to scroll and tap on Video Episode Resolution. On the next page, select the resolution you'd want for your video episodes. And once you are done, you can head back and select an episode and play. So soon after you do that, you will be able to adjust video resolution in Webtoon application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.